white Bainberry doll's eye plants isn't difficult, and they're suitable for growing in USDA plant strength zones 3 through 8. This forest plant flourishes in wet, rich, well-drained soil and in complete shade. Plant Bainberry seeds in late fall, yet remember the plant may not bloom until the second spring. You can likewise begin seeds inside in pre-spring. In any case, keep the soil clammy until the seeds germinate. White Bainberry care. This plant makes a decent, low-upkeep, decorative expansion to your landscape. In fact, because most wild animals, besides birds, ignore the berries, they will in general remain on the plants for quite a while to give visual interest. White Bainberry is a native, not intrusive, species, which means it will not irritate the regular equilibrium of vegetation. Light. White Bainberry is a wildflower that fills normally in developed woods. Thusly, numerous individuals utilize this plant in their shade gardens, despite the fact that it can endure regions inclined toward full shade. Soil. It is tolerant of most soil types as long as it has even dampness and great seepage. In any case, naturally rich, humusy soil is great. It's anything but a slightly acidic to unbiased soil pH. Water. The plant's desire for sodden soil will expect it to get ordinary watering, particularly during sweltering, dry summers. Temperature and humidity. Its local region stretches out from Canada down to the territory of Georgia and from the east coast west to Minnesota. It fills best in USDA planting zones 3 to 8, so it's anything but a wide scope of temperatures and stickiness conditions. Fertilizer. Planting in rich soil will take out the requirement for any fertilizer during the developing season. Instructions to grow white Bainberry from seed. Start your seeds inside in pre-spring, making a point to keep the soil clammy until the seeds sprout. Once relocated outside, the plant will not create blossoms or natural products until its subsequent developing season.